Hi beauties, it's your girl Exquisite Black Rose, and on today's video I'm going to be talking to you about nail art. Okay, so I went and got my nails done and I just got them plain white, but I really wanted some designs. Now I know I can't be the only one that thinks like this. When you go to the nail shop and you want to get all those pretty designs with the rhinestones and the sparkles and the glitter and blah blah blah, they're like, oh, it's going to be $7 to $10 a finger, and some places may be higher than that. I remember my sister took me to get my nails done. She got her toes done, her nails done, and she got my nails done, not my toes. Do you guys know her total was $200? I had like maybe 2 or 3 fingers on each hand that was decorated, and I was like, what the F? Who's paying $200 for that? So when I went to this nail shop, because I had to find me a new nail tech, and there was like, oh, it's gonna be $10 a hand. No, I won't be doing that. So that is the reason why I never have like designs, because it's just too much. Okay, so what I decided to do, guys, was to buy my own stuff. That's right, I bought me some stuff from Amazon, I bought me some stuff from Shein, and you're going to be amazed by the stuff that I bought. It's so freaking cute, I can't believe it. Everything that I bought I'm going to leave down below in the description with the link and everything. So I got a UV light that I bought for Christmas, and I'm going to use that to cure each and every nail that I do. I want to be bling bling blinky, because I just don't do plain white ever, so I have to do something to these nails. I've never actually done this to my own nails before, so I'm curious to see how it's going to come out. Nonetheless, it's going to be cute. We're going to speak that positivity over my nails right now, because your girl is going to be saving money. I'm going to try to do every single nail, but I don't know. So let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this little nail art video. Okay, so let me start off by showing you what I purchased. So this was the first thing I got. I believe I paid $4. Like I said, I'll leave everything down below. They're really cute. Look how cute that is. It was only $4. Okay, so that's the first thing. This is like the main one that I want to do. And then I have this one. This one is really cute. Look how sparkly. And this was only $1, which is not bad at all, from Shein. Y'all be sleeping on Shein. That's all I'm saying. Took me forever to get it open, but this is how it looks. Isn't it cute? And then I got a clear one. This one also was $1. See? Okay, so it's out the pack. Isn't that cute? I can't take it. Okay. And y'all, they be charging $7 to $15 to put those little things on, and I got it for so cheap. So this little kit was $7, which is not bad at all for the whole kit. Okay, so it comes with 2 of these. Let's see. Because some of the reviews were saying they barely had anything in it, so if that's the case, I'm going to be really upset. Okay, so it's full. Nice and full, like I like it. Okay. So that's the glue that comes with that. Oh, it stinks. And then it also came with the little brush and the stencil to pick them up with. And it came with these gold charms. Pretty cute. And then last but not least, it came with these charms. So I have a lot to last for a while, okay? That's what I'm going to be doing. Letting them do my nails. They're coming home and, yeah, doing it myself. So it also came with some directions as well, if you need help with that, which I really don't. But there you go. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. I don't know which one I want to go with first. I'm going to just, like, open something. I don't know. All right, so I'm starting with my middle finger, and I took 2 out of this one, and then I took 4 out of this one here in the middle. So let's get started. This is my first time doing this. It better come out right, because I'm gonna be mad if it don't. it's been cured, and let's see how it looks. It looks okay. So I think I'm gonna put a little glue just to make sure that they're secure, just around it, just to, make sure that it's on there and it's not going anywhere. And I think I'm gonna put some top coat on it. I don't know if you're supposed to do this or not, but that's what I'm gonna do because I want it to look shiny. And then I'm gonna put it back under the light for another 2 minutes. Okay, that should be good. It's on there really good. All right, let's move to the next finger. So I think I want to do something a little different. Sometimes it slides, so just wiggle it over. It's not a big deal. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. I just was putting shit on here, honestly. Trying to make it look the same on both sides. Maybe I should put one in the middle, huh? I'm gonna put one in the middle because it looks a little naked. I'm gonna do a clear in the middle. One that came out of this box. I'm gonna do that. I don't know why this one just keeps sliding. They want to do what it want to do. All right, so I'm finished that one, and I'm gonna put it in here now. All right, so I did it under the light, and then I'm going to put some more glue like I did the last one, a top coat, and then put it back under there. Now I'm finished these 2 fingers. Now I'm going to move on to the pinky. think I like this one more than any of them. It's so cute. I'm gonna be having nails done like this all the time now that I got my own stuff. All right, so now I'm gonna put it under the little machine. Finished this hand. I love the way it came out. Next time I'm going to be more cautious because when I put this one on, I had it exactly where I wanted it. And then when I went to put the 3 on right here, it slid. So you got to be very mindful if you're doing it yourself. Just a heads up. Like once you put them there and go to something else that will slide, you have to keep adjusting. That's what y'all kept seeing me doing with this one. Because this one just kept sliding. So now I'm going to take my cuticle oil pen that I got from Miss A Cosmetic online. It was only $1.88. And I'm just going to oil my cuticles. I love how this came out for my first time. It's beautiful. They're on there really, really well. They're not moving. They're secure. I love it. So what I'm going to do now is do my next hand and then come back and show you guys the finished product. And we're going to close out the video. So cute. I love it. All right, y'all. So I am finished. I did them the same as best as I could. And it's not bad for the first time. Not bad at all. I never put these on ever. I ain't done my nails, of course, a million times. But I do think the lady who did my nails, because like I told you, I was going to a new person. I do think she should have did a better job at painting my nails. I think that was Friday. So it's only been, what, 3 or 4 days since I had my nails done. And yeah, it don't look like it. But hey, I made them look cute. I love them. They're so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed my nail art tutorial. I hope that you can take anything that I said today or showed you today and apply it to your own nail design. If you want to know where I got any of these items, the UV light, the gel, the glue, any of the rhinestones, I'm going to list everything in the link below. Before I close out, if you don't know, I own my own hairline company. The link will be down below. It's called www.haircandy.biz, where I sell hair jam, bonnets, detangling combs, growth serums, anything that you can think of, I sell. I make everything myself. Everything is 100% natural. I sure hope you make a purchase. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram name is ExquisiteBlackRose. Also, my name is ExquisiteBlackRose on Facebook. And if you want to follow me on TikTok, because now I have one, my name is DA_BlackRose. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, bye.